Run the code online or download from codegib.com, link in the description below. In this tutorial, we will explore how to interact with the Amazon Alexa API using Python. The Amazon Alexa API allows developers to integrate Alexa's capabilities into their own applications, enabling voice-controlled interactions and access to a wide range of skills. Before we begin, ensure you have the following prerequisites installed. To use the Amazon Alexa API, you need to create an Amazon developer account and set up a new Alexa skill. Once you've set up your skill, you'll need to obtain API credentials to authenticate your requests. Now that we have our skill set up and API credentials ready, let's proceed to interact with the Alexa API using Python. Ensure to replace your _skill_id and your _endpoint_URL with the actual skill ID and endpoint URL you obtained earlier. In this tutorial, we learned how to interact with the Amazon Alexa API using Python. We set up an Amazon developer account, created an Alexa skill, obtained API credentials, and made requests to the Alexa API using Python's requests library. This opens up possibilities for integrating Alexa's voice capabilities into various Python applications. ChatGPT.